So this question says the position of an object moving along an x-axis is given by x equal to 3t minus 4t square plus t cube, where x is in meters and t in seconds. Find the position of the object at the following values of t: a 1 second, b 2 second, c 3 second, d 4 second. E. What is the object displacement between t equal to 0 and t equal to 4 second? What is its average velocity for the time interval from t equal to 2 second to t equal to 4 second? Graph x versus t for t between 0 to 4 and indicate how the answer for f can be found on the graph. Okay, so we should start. Now the position function is given as x equal to 3t minus 4t square plus t cube, right? So for the a part, at t equal 1 second, if you want to find out the position, we just need to put t equal to 1 in the function. So after putting this, we will get a value of 0. B part, at 2 second, at t equal to 2 seconds, we just need to put t equal to 2 in the equation, right? So this will give us a value of minus 2. Assume, since it is given in meter, so I am writing in meter. C part, at t equal to 3 second, just need to put t equal to 3 square plus 3 cube, which will give us a value of 0. Now for the d part, which is at t equal to 4 second, again just need to put t equal to 4 minus 4 into 4 square plus 4 cube. This will give us a value of 12 meter, right? Now for the E part, it is saying object displacement between t equal to 0 and t equal to 4 second, right? So at t equal to 0, x0 is 3 minus 4 into 0 square plus 0 cube, which will give us a value of 0, right? And at t equal 4 second, we have already calculated at t equal to 4 second, the displacement is 12 meter. So x is 12 meter from above. So if we need to find out the displacement, it is nothing but change in position, which is delta x. So we can write 12 meter minus 0, which will give us a value of 12 meter. So E part is also complete. Now for F part, what is the average velocity for the time interval from t equal to 2 second to t equal to 4 second? Okay, so for average velocity, from t equals 2 to t equals 4, we need to write velocity average is nothing but the total displacement during this time upon total time taken. So at t equal to 4 we already knew the position. We have already calculated it as 12 meter. Now at t equal to 2 seconds we have already calculated the position as -2. So this will be our total displacement. Now total time at t equal to 4, so 4 minus, and t equal to 2 is 2. So this will give us a value of 14 by 2. Again it will give us a value of 7 meter per second. So F part is also complete. Now for G part, it is saying graph x versus t from between 0 to 4 second, x versus t, right? Let me draw the graph here. So this is x, this is t, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have already calculated value of x. So at t equal to 1 second the displacement is 0, right? So this is 1 point second. At t equal to 2 second x is -2. 2 second the x is -2. So what we have to do is we have to extend this line. Assuming this is -2. Okay. So at t equal to 2 second this will be our point, right? Now at t equal to 3 second it is 0 again. So at t equal to 3 it is 0. Now at t equal to 4 second it is +12. So at 4 it will be +12, something like this. This point will give us a value of 0. This is 0, right? So if we want to find out the x versus t curve, so this will be our curve. Right, let me draw it clearly. Yeah. So this is the final x versus t curve. Now how we can find out the average slope? If we want to find out the average slope between t equal to 2 and t equal to 4, we just need to find out the points. Like at t equal to 2 second we know that this is the point, right? This point is the final point. And at t equal to 4 second this point is the final point, right? So we just need to connect these two lines, right? And we need to find the slope of this line. So slope of this line will give us the average velocity between t equal to 2 second and t equal to 4 second. So we just need to write the coordinates here. So this coordinate will be 4, 12, and this coordinate will be 2, -2. So if on the basis of this coordinates we want to find out the average velocity from this graph, we can directly write it as the slope of the line drawn. And in this case I am considering this line, okay, to find out the average velocity between t equal to 2 and t equal to 4. So slope of this line will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So we can write it as 12 minus 2 upon 4 minus 2. So again this will give us a value of 14 by 2, which will again give us a value of 7 meter per second. So we can see that in this part also we are getting the same average velocity as above. This one and this one is same. So this will be our final answer.